right, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar. I have the honor to present Bonnie Tyler for you. And if you've been in the music game, you know about this lady. She deserves a lot of respect here. She's been doing this for many, many years. She has songs like It's Heartache. I think that came out in 1978. All right, so she's been around in this game for a long time. Total Eclipse of the Heart, Holding Out for Hero. That is a few of her hits. So anyway, let's go into this one. Yes, I can. All right. So that is the song we're gonna look into. So we're gonna do that without any capo, and basically this is 4-chord song. But if you want to handle the solo as well, you will have to add 7 more chords. All right. So if you can stay without the solo, you have only 4 chords. I'm going to start with those 4 chords first, and then I'm going to mention what chords you need for the solo later. Let's go into the 4 main chords, starting with E. That will be open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, and open E. We have the F sharp minor. That's a bar chord. You place the index finger on the 2nd fret, then you push down all strings there. Then you need to add 4th on A and 4th on D. We have the C sharp minor next. Another bar chord. You place the index finger now on the 4th fret and you push down all strings except for the last E string. You don't need that one. And then you need to add 6 on D, 6 on G, and 5th on B. There you have your C sharp minor. And then the 4th and final chord out of this main 4 chords, that's the A. And it goes open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. All right, there you have it. E, F sharp minor, C sharp minor, and A. If you want to handle the solo later, we'll move on now with the next 7 chords, okay? I'm going to run through this a little bit faster. It's the C first. It goes 3rd on A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, open E. We have the G B. You play 2nd A, open D, open G, 3rd B, open E. We have the E minor. Open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, open E. We have the F. Bar chord, you place the index finger on the 1st fret to push down all strings there, then 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. We have G next. That goes 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, 3rd E. We have A minor, open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, open E, and then finally D minor. And that will be open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 1st E. All right, a deep breath there, and we have all the chords needed for the song. Now, let's go into the strumming, and we'll start with E. That's the 1st chord, and 1 string around will be about 4 downs. So that is 1 string around. So you have this chewing going on through the entire song. And if you want to, you can also separate a little bit between these downs. So you can try to highlight the 3rd down in the way that you play a little bit on the higher strings on that down. So bass, bass, top, bass. That is played especially in the chorus and the post-chorus parts. But if you want to, you can just play 4 straight downs. Then, yeah, try to emphasize the bass strings when you play the downs. Anyway, 4 downs is 1 string around, and let's go into the first part, the first verse. So you have E. You're gonna play 8 full rounds of that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? E, 8 rounds, then A, 4 rounds, and F sharp minor, 4 rounds. 2, 3, 4, and F sharp, 2, 3, 4. And that is 1 chord progression round. So E8, A4, F sharp minor, 4. That is 1 round. You're going to play it for 2 rounds. Okay? After that 2 rounds, you're going to come into the first chorus. That happens about 47 seconds into the song. You're going to continue the same strumming now. You're going to play E, 2 string rounds, F sharp minor, 2, C sharp minor, 2, and A, 2. You're going to play it for 2 chord progression rounds. The final A in the last round, you're going to play that for 4 rounds. So in the first round, you're going to play A2, and the second round, A4. And the 2 rounds goes like this. E, F sharp, C sharp, A, E, F sharp, C sharp, and A4. 2, 3, 4. All right, so there you have the chorus part. After that, you have the post-chorus part, and guess what? You're gonna continue in the same way there for another 2 rounds of E2, F sharp 2, C sharp 2, and A2. After that post-chorus part, that happens about 1 minute and 7 seconds into the song, you have an instrumental part. You're gonna play just the E and stay with that for 4 rounds. So E 4 rounds, that's the instrumental part, and that gives us the bridge between the first round and the second round, which we'll come into now. So the second round here, second verse, it's played exactly in the same way as the first one, and the same goes with the second chorus and second post-chorus part. No changes at all there in the second round. Then after the second post-chorus part comes the solo. It happens about 2 minutes and 24 seconds into the song, and this is the part where we're going to use the next 7 chords here. So we learned them, and if you want to play them, then you're going to play in the same way with the strumming, and you're going to play C2, the GB2, E minor 2, F2, G2, A minor 2, F2, D minor 2, and G2. Use the same strumming. I'm going to take you through this, and you're going to play it only for this 1 round. It's a big round of chords there, but anyway, let's go together. C2, GB2, E minor, F, G, A minor, F, D minor, and G. Alright, so there you have the solo, and then you're gonna come back to the chorus. The third one, it's playing the exact same way as the previous 2 choruses, and no changes there. And then after that, we have the post-chorus / outro part, and that is to play in the same way as I played before with the post-chorus part. 2 rounds of that, and then you end on 1 down with the beautiful E. With the lyric, "Yes, I Can." That's the title of the song. So Bonnie Tyler, a great song, very powerful. This raspy, horsey voice she has fits perfectly well for this song. So yeah, if you're a fan of her, make sure you like this tutorial, and until next time, play tuned.